In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how game saves work on Netflix. Let's get started. Netflix games automatically save your game progress, so in most cases you don't need to manually save anything. Your game saves are linked to your Netflix profile, which means each profile on the same Netflix account has its own separate game progress, achievements, and settings. If you switch to another compatible device, simply install the game, sign in with the same Netflix account and same profile, and your saved progress should sync automatically once you are connected to the internet. Many Netflix games also let you play offline, and any progress you make while offline will usually sync the next time your device goes online. If you uninstall a game, your progress is typically not lost as long as the game supports cloud saves and you reinstall it using the same Netflix profile. However, if you switch to different Netflix profile or create a Netflix account, your previous game saves won't transfer because they are tied to your original profile. If your saved progress is not showing up, make sure you are signed into the correct Netflix profile. Connect to the internet to allow the game to sync. Update both the Netflix app and the game to the latest version and restart the device if needed. If you are still having trouble, contact Netflix support for additional help. That's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.